Welcome to today's video, and we're looking at making money with eucalyptus. And you might be thinking, he's lost the plot, what is he talking about? Well, let me show you. So I've just finished recording another video, and on the back of that video I thought I'd share this one with you in a little more detail and share with you a bit more insight, because there's just so many different ways we can make money online. You can see on the screen now we've been sharing about this since 2017, and I just love learning and trying out new methods. Okay, so let me come over here and I'll show you this really quickly. So I am on Etsy, and I've just typed in eucalyptus clip art. 4,400 people a month search for eucalyptus clip art. Now I was thinking, why would anybody want this? Maybe for, creating some craft books or things like that. And then I came across a number of sellers, like, so we've got this one over here, this one, a lot of these. So I've gone into them, right? And I'll show you this now. And don't worry, I'll show you how you can do all of this for free yourself. And it's not just eucalyptus, you can do this in anything, okay? So this one over here is selling watercolor greenery clip art, so eucalyptus clip art. Now if we scroll down here, we can see they've had 9,164 reviews in total for the shop. For this item alone, they've had 117 positive feedback, okay? And what is it? So it's basically these clip art designs, okay? Now, the cool thing about this method is if I scroll down here, look, we can see, let me click on learn more about this. So it's a pretty collection of simple greenery in all kinds of gorgeous green hues, a selection of 3 types of eucalyptuses that merge together perfectly. So then I thought, okay, great. And then I started reading the reviews. So like this person here, they created all their wedding materials using this watercolor clip art. They created invitations, RSVPs, and lots more. And look, someone else down here is using it for the wedding signage. And then someone down here, and you can go through and have a read of this. So, people are going ahead and buying watercolor clip art images or eucalyptus images for, a number of reasons. So then I went into the shop because I thought, if they've got this amount of views, they must have had a lot of sales. And it's staggering. The numbers, I mean, look at that, 87,991 sales in total. What are they selling? Predominantly clip art. So if I come down, blimey, look at that, 758. But if we come down here, we can see all they're really selling here is clip art images. And if we scroll down here, look, forget that one. £3.52. So that's a little over $4. This one over here, this one, all of these here, these are all just literally clip art images. So it's an unbelievable method, isn't it? It really is an awesome method. And if we go into the shop, we can see they're all pretty similar. Like the listings are very similar. So how can you do this method yourself? Because I mean, as we can see here, look, this is a lot of sales, which is a lot of money, isn't it? Indeed. And this is just one seller who is selling different clip art images. Okay. So we've focused on over here, we typed in eucalyptus clip art. Now, there are a number of places whereby you can go ahead and get this from. So the first one is this one over here. Now, this website is called Creative Fabrica. Now, I'll put a link to this down below for you, which means you can go ahead and get access to this completely for free, and they will allow you to download 10 different products on the website, which is pretty cool. After that, if you don't want to continue using it, you don't have to. You don't need to give me credit card details or anything when you sign up. You just sign up for free, and then you can download 10 different products on here. Once you've completed your 10 products, it won't let you download any more for free. After that, it costs about, I think it's about $4 or $5 a month to go ahead and get this. And they do a yearly offer as well, which is about $50 for the year. But when you can see all of the stuff that you can get with this, it's awesome. So, for example, this one over here, look, eucalyptus greenery, what is that? Watercolor clip art, 18 elements in total. These are PNGs and transparent. We can see over here it includes a commercial license. It allows unlimited downloads. And basically, I can go ahead now and download this. This is what I would receive, 18 clip arts. I would get 300 DPI high resolution PGN images, and I would also get this. So, and then basically, once I've gone ahead and I've got this, I can do what I like with it. So I can go ahead and in fact, let's do it. Let's go ahead and click on download. And then what happens here is, it's just taking a second, and it will start to download. Has it started downloading? Let me see. Download. Hopefully that started. Oh, it's because of this thing here. Let me just move this out there. There we go. Has that gone? I'm going to go to my downloads. Let's come over here, and we're going to go to downloads. should be. Oh, so it's downloading still. So it might be taking a while. So what I'll do is I'll quickly pause the video. We'll come back when this is finished downloading. Okay, we're back. Sorry about that. I have no idea what happened. So let me open this up. So this is the download, and I've clicked it a few times, so I've just cancelled the job. So we're going to open up this file that we've downloaded. Now we can see here we've got these 18 images in here. So let me open one of these up for you so I can see what this looks like. So that's it. Now, if I go over here to number 2, I have got this over here. So now what I could do is I've got a number of options here with this. I could take these images and I could put them over onto Canva in here, okay? So I could go into Canva and create something in here. The other thing what I could do is I could actually start creating things myself. So for example, we can see on here that people use these eucalyptuses to create wedding invites. So if I now take this and type in wedding invite, like so, look at that, 1,300 people a month are searching for a eucalyptus wedding invite. So guess what? We could now go into here. So let's just go into, here. Let's scroll up to the top and let's type in, let me get rid of that. Let me type in wedding invite, like so. And there's templates inside of Canva. Bearing in mind, as you can see over here, these are templates. So I could go into any one of these templates. Okay, so let me just go with, let's just go with this one over here really quickly. Customize this template. Now inside of Canva, let me just move this, let me get rid of that, let me move this down, and let me get rid of this. So we can now see in Canva, this is a template. So bearing in mind with a template, it's editable. So we can change any part of this that we don't like. Okay, so we can change the date. We can, I mean, literally, we can leave this blank like so. Let me delete that. We could do this. We could do this. We can get rid of this. So we could just, instead of it saying Sunday, we could say date. And then people could write in their own date. We could say over here, we could say time and do it like that. And if we don't want that, we'll get rid of that. And basically what we would do is we would upload into Canva here. We would go into our uploads and we would upload a file in here and we'd upload the files which we have downloaded, which are, where's it gone? It's not showing up. So, but basically, we'd upload these files that we have downloaded from here. Now, I wouldn't leave it at just one. So bearing in mind, if you go ahead and get an account, you do get 10 downloads for free. So you have a number of options. So we could download this pack. Then we could maybe go and download something else. We could go and download, a say, watercolor clip art, like so. And then we're going to hit on the search bar, and we're going to have a look at the different products available in Creative Fabrica with watercolor clip art. And again, we've got a number of there's no options in there. Oh, there we go. 2,816 water clip art images. So we can, you've got, look, the possibilities with this are endless. You could go ahead and download some of these and create your own bundles inside of Canva over here. You could go inside of Canva and create something yourself. You could put together different bundles of clip art images and sell that as a file. You could even go ahead and start creating wedding invites like this using the different templates that you find over here. But essentially, this method is awesome because this website is free for 10 packages, or 10 products, so you can download this for free. Canva is free, so you can go in here and edit it and download it. And yeah, and going over onto Etsy, and you can just literally go through and have a look at what other people are doing and creating and make similar ones yourself. It genuinely isn't a difficult process. And you might be thinking, well, it's easy for you to say that. Well, I know this because at this moment in time, inside of the Not Taught at School University, I am currently at this moment in time going through a whole process of, let me just close down some of these tabs. So let me get rid of this one, let me get rid of this one, and let me get rid of this. Okay, that's why my computer's going slow. I've got so many tabs open. But yeah, inside of the university over here, I do these case studies every 4 to 6 weeks. So you can see down here, this is the one that we're currently working on, and I'm doing it from scratch. I've gone ahead, I've created an Etsy shop. I've shared with the members the plan of the products and the services I am going to sell on Etsy, and I've opened the shop, And over the next couple of weeks, we'll document the process and see how long it takes to make our first sale. Realistically, touch wood, I'm thinking 2 or 3 weeks maximum to earn some money on Etsy starting from scratch. Any of the methods that we are looking at to earn money online, they are not difficult. I say this over and over again. Whichever method you are going to pick, it will take time, effort, and consistency. But essentially, we leverage free products, we leverage free softwares, and we use them to start earning online and from home. And look, here's another cool thing. If you didn't want to go over to Creative Fabrica and use that website, you could even do something like, let me go down to here. You could use AI to go ahead and create images for you, like this. And again, you can use websites like like Midjourney, like Blue Willow. There are a number of ways you can do this. And essentially, you use the AI to create the product for you or the printable. And then again, you put it all together inside of Canva because it's free. So yeah, look, that is today's video. If you have any comments or questions about it, let me know. But overall, again, simple method to make money online. I'll see you soon.